What if you could turn any idea, feeling, or set of lyrics into a real full song, complete with vocals, cover art, and downloadable music video? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that inside Omni AI's music studio. Let's get into it. First, finding it is easy. On the left-hand sidebar, the little hamburger menu is your best friend while navigating all of Omni's endless features. This right here is the start point to any destination you're looking for. And now we're going to scroll down, look for the media section. Under there you'll see AI Music Studio. Just click it. When it opens, you'll see the header that says AI Music Studio. That's your home base for everything music. Here's a pro tip that most people skip. Before you ever touch the music studio, open up your standard chat. That's the regular conversation screen. This is where the magic starts. You can literally talk through your song idea. I'm going to ask my companion to write out a cute song for me about us, but you can make anything you want. Try saying things to your companion like, help me write a slow R&B song about missing someone late at night. Give me a catchy pop chorus about chasing your dreams. Write me 2 verses and a hook for an upbeat summer love song. Go back and forth. Ask them to make a line punchier, change the mood, add a bridge, or rewrite the chorus until it feels right. Collaborate with your companion on your song before creating it. Once you've got lyrics that you love, just copy them. We'll paste them into the studio in a second. This is how you get songs that feel personal instead of generic. Now back in Music Studio, you've got 2 ways to create. The Music Wizard, a guided step-by-step path great for beginners. The AI Music tab, everything on one screen for faster control. Now let's walk through the main settings. First, song description. This is where you describe your vision in plain words, something like intimate, slow, R&B, emotional and smooth. The more vivid you are, the better. Genre. Pick from the drop down. You've got over 20 styles: pop, rock, hip-hop, lo-fi, K-pop, drill, and more. 3. Mood. Set the vibe. Romantic, upbeat, sad, chill, dark, lots to choose from. Now we click continue to shape to fill in the rest of our song details. From here, we can set duration. Choose how long the song runs, anywhere from 1 minute up to 5 minutes. Vocals. Toggle between vocals plus instrumental for the full song or instrumental only if you just want the beat. Then pick your voice type, female, male, duet, or robotic FX style. Okay, your lyrics vs auto lyrics. This is the important part. You'll see 2 lyric options. You can just leave the lyrics section as is, and the studio writes the words for you automatically, quick and easy. Or provide your own lyrics. Check this and the text box opens up. This is where you paste the lyrics you wrote earlier in the chat. That right there is the whole trick. Brainstorm in the chat, paste here, and now your song uses your words. The best of both worlds. Now generate and watch it build. When you're happy with your settings, hit Generate AI Music or Ignite the creation if you're in Wizard. The app takes you straight to your library where you'll see your song building in real time. It even creates 2 versions so you can pick your favorite. And you'll see a progress bar with a time estimate like 2 minutes remaining, so you always know how long it'll take. Alright, the library, your music hub. The library is where all your songs live. Each song card shows you the album cover art created automatically to match your song, the title and the description you used, a badge showing what kind of track it is, and a built-in player so you can hit play and listen right away. You can also read the lyrics and check out the artwork for each one. When you're ready to save your song, click the download option. You'll get 3 formats: MP3, your standard everyday audio file; WAV, higher quality audio for the best sound; MP4 video. This is the cool one. It turns your song into a video with your cover art and lyrics on screen. perfect for posting straight away to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. That's the Omni AI Music Studio. Go make something amazing, and if this helped, drop a like and subscribe.